Hi, I'm Rick from Gotcha Covered Wallpaper. Today I'm going to show you a simple painting technique called rag rolling. We can do this with just a few simple tools. We're going to go ahead and choose a fine woven cotton t-shirt. This will help hide any of the marks that can be left behind by the material. I like to choose a section that has no seams because things like this will actually show. I also like to keep a small piece aside so that way I can get into the small corners. We'll also use a straight knife and a sponge to clean up that wet paint before it dries. We'll go ahead and mix a glaze. That'll be done with an eggshell finish white paint to get a contrast on this medium tone background. We'll use a ratio of 1 part water, 2 parts paint, and then 2 parts of a extender or a paint glaze. If you can't find faux finish glaze, you can find paint conditioner in any home center. You don't want to use too much water. It will make your glaze runny and you will get running drips on your wall. So let's get started and show you how this is done. Okay, so I've gone ahead and taken my piece of scrap t-shirt and I've soaked it in the glaze. I haven't saturated it so much that it's dripping off, but it is well soaked. I'm going to go ahead and gather this together loosely, almost like a hot dog, and let's go ahead and make this happen. We'll slowly run this down the wall, lifting and moving the rag as we go along into new positions. You want to open and close this rag often. It will prevent you from getting a pattern developed on the wall. You want this to be as random and as organic as possible. When we come to the ceiling, we'll use our knife to protect the ceiling as we go along with our other hand. We'll also fill in our empty spots by just taking the rag itself and blotting. And when the rag gets dry, we'll go ahead and repeat. So let's knock out this wall. And there you go. It's just that simple. An easy paint technique to make your personal things look that much more special and a little bit more designed. Thanks for watching.